Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today I'm super excited to show you two of my raised beds that I have built. And this is a 3x3. As you see, I have the tarp in the bottom of it, like some of the books that I've read that they wanted me to do. I got the post in there. I was gonna go 4x4, but then I ended up deciding just to kind of shrink it once we were able to kind of doing more measurements and that. We're gonna go over to our next bed, and we're gonna show you the soil that we're gonna be putting in these two flower beds right now to actually our left. All right guys, here's my other raised bed. We have a organic planting soil that we have here, and we actually got this at Costco. These ended up being like, I think they're like $9 for this huge bag. And then the Miracle Gro here, which is another good one that my wife has used when she lived at home, that she really liked what they used. This was like $10 a bag, so really good for the 55 for quarts of that. So I'm going to be doing pretty much, you know, 2.5 of this one, 2.5 of the Miracle Gro to kind of even it out for both flower beds. Now we're not going to fill one all the way up, because one is going to be for potatoes, and then we're going to do like a pot of garlic, and then the other flower bed will have usually we're locked into tomatoes, peppers, and probably cucumbers. So with these, we're actually going to be doing a soaker hole system with these two. I haven't done that video yet, but we're going to be showing you how we're going to be watering these through our rain barrel on that. So like I said, the whole purpose of doing this is kind of keeping this off the grid. So now what we're going to do right now is we're going to cut these open, get them in there, and then we're going to kind of show you where we're at. Okay guys, as you can see, this is not filled up all the way, and that's kind of by design for what we wanted. This actually is 2 bags of the organic and 2 bags of the Miracle Gro. So this is going to be really good. This is going to be our flower bed for the peppers, the cucumbers, and the tomatoes. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the other box, and that's the one we're going to show you kind of like before of what this one's going to be, that we're going to have to add bags for that. So let's go over to the other one. Now this box here, this one right here that we have right here, this is going to be our potato one. So we're going to have the soil on that low, and then we're going to just raise it up once we keep adding the potatoes, so they keep growing in that. From the books and a lot of videos I've been seeing, that's what people have been doing. The other box that you saw before, that one is going to have tomatoes, the peppers, and the cucumber, and this one will probably also have like a potted garlic for that. So but once again, you know, once I kind of get growing and start doing the videos and stuff, any suggestions that you guys have had with doing raised beds, what worked, what didn't work, what bugs should I look out for, I'm gonna need your help. I mean, I'm reading books, doing as much research as I can, but also I know that once you're out there, you know, getting into this, you know, you're gonna see what works and what doesn't work. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for the continuous support. Very looking forward to this whole process in the summer and even to the fall. I know we're in spring right now, of growing and seeing what we can do. But thank you guys so much. Leave those comments down below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.